Here we have a 70-plate Land Rover Defender First Edition. Now this vehicle comes with the 22-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and unmarked. We have the silver exterior paintwork, combined with the gloss black trim. We have the urban body kit, including the light bar just up top, the urban lettering across the bonnet, the LED daytime running headlights, with the utility style grid on the bonnet, along with the 110 decals. Right to the passenger side, you'll find we have the air suspension, so the vehicle can raise or lower. It's currently on its lowest setting. We have the side steps along the bottom, colour-coded door handles, the black door mirrors, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top we have the light bar. We also have the panoramic glass sunroof, but that's currently closed as it started to rain. We have the black roof rails, shark fin antennae, and also the rear spoiler. We also have 360-degree cameras with the sensors. Around to the rear you find we have the electric tow bar. We also have the urban spare wheel cover. If we take a look at the boot, so we have the Defender First Edition badge just there. If you take a look at the boot, so inside of here you find we have plenty of space for whatever you may need. This vehicle is also a 7-seater, so we can fold these two back seats up just like so. You also got the other one just there. Now if we close the boot back up though, make sure that's closed. Walk back around to the driver's side, you find that the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. If we take a look at the interior, so inside of the back, or the second row, you find we have the leather interior, we have the fixed ISO points, plenty of space back here, we have the nice utility style on the doors. We also have the climate control down here for the rear passengers. We have the premium Meridian sound system along with the electric windows. Again at the front we've got the leather interior. Both the front seats are heated and also electrically adjustable. There's a look at them seats. The panoramic glass sunroof from the inside. We have the premium Meridian sound system, electric mirrors with the blind spot assist. We also have a multifunctional steering wheel which is electrically adjustable. It's also heated. Taking the seat inside, you find we have the digital dashboard just here in front of us. We have the automatic wipers and the automatic lights. Put our foot on the brake, press the start button. Then the vehicle will start up for us. We have the main infotainment screen just here in the centre. So if you put the car into reverse, you find we have the 360 cameras just there. We can flick through each option. We have the 3D view as well just here. We also have the off-road camera, so if we put the car into drive, press this button just here, drive forward, you can see we have the off-road camera. Once it loads up, it will be able to see underneath the vehicle just like so, which is a pretty cool bit of tech. Put the car back into park though. We also have the other options, so we have the sat nav just here, we have the phone connectivity, a range of media such as the Bluetooth phone. We also have the DAB, FM and AM radio stations. If we go onto the main menu, you can see we have all these options just here. So we have the 4x4 off-roading information, lots of different bits of information. We have the weight sensor just there as well. Very capable off-road this vehicle is. Vehicle dimensions, we have the electric tow bar. Again, we can scroll through and we have plenty of other features just here. We also have the other options, so if we go into these settings, you can see we have these options just here for the enhanced hill hold. We also have the climate control down here, the ice cold air conditioning. We have the heated seats, so if you press that in, you can put the heated seat on or off just like so. We also have the air suspension, so if you press that and the vehicle will rise. Press it again and it will go on to the off-road setting. We have the different drive modes, so if we click onto here, you can see we have the comfort drive mode. We also have plenty of other options just here, which we can flick through just like so. But let's just keep it into the comfort setting for now. Further down, you find we have the USB ports. We have a 12-volt connectivity, storage space underneath here as well. We have the cup holders, nice armrest just here, which can be opened up for more storage. We also have the fridge inside of there. Defender just written inside of there, plenty of storage. We have the camera for the rear view mirror, or you can flick to the standard mirror just like so. We also have a nice sun visor in the centre. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, then please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, HPI clear, competitive finance deals and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.